Hello, it is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And our lovely host for the month of January is Kathy. She has selected a paint swatch mood board, several sketches, and came up with a theme. And the theme is to scrapbook your best friends, which also could be family members and also pets. This is the sketch that I selected to scrap lift, and this is a page map sketch, and I don't know when it was released. It is posted over at our Facebook group site, which I will have the link listed below, along with Becky and Kathy's channel, so that you can go check out what sketch they selected, what memory they're documenting, and what products they are using. Next, I'm going to show you the products that I am going to use. And I'll come back to the photograph, but I went through my color boxes and just picked out a bunch of mix match whatnots. And then I got out this sticker book and selected some stickers from this book, and I placed them on white cardstock. And for the circle ones, I used a circle punch. And then for the square ones, I just freehand cut them. Then I'm going to place all that miscellaneous ephemera over to the left, and I'm going to take that plus sign pattern paper and cut that down 9 by 10. Then I'm going to scuff up the edges. Then I will ink the edges using black ink from Close to My Heart. I take this scrap paper, which is a black tone-on-tone polka dot pattern paper. I also matted my photograph using a green scrap paper and black cardstock. And I just wanted to point out, in the sketch, it looked like you could use blocks of pattern paper, which you can if you have a lot of scraps hanging around your desk, which I don't keep little scraps like that, so I didn't want to cut a bunch of little tiny squares. So that's why I am using miscellaneous ephemera. Now I'm taking the larger miscellaneous ephemera to create an L design to the left of the photograph. While you watch me layer up all that ephemera, I just want to give you a little background of the photograph. That is my husband's younger brother and his wife, and they are our best friends. And also, they are our little guy's best friend and favorite aunt and uncle. We hang out a lot. We both have properties up in the mountains, and so every chance we get, we're up there. So anyway, that's just documenting the three of them going for a buggy ride, or should I say my little guy going for a buggy ride with his aunt and uncle. Now back to the layout. So I use each of those oblong squares that I first lay down in an L shape, and I create individual little clusters. And I just love how that turned out. Next, I am going to use the Dana Wakley medium gloss spray in white to add some splatters. Next, I am going to grab my chipboard pieces from the Vicky Bouton Wildflower and Honey. Right here, I'm just pointing out that I inked the edges because I did that off camera. So the first chipboard piece that I bring in to the layout from the Vicky Bouton Wildflower and Honey, I place above my photograph to the left. And it's kind of an orangey red color, and it looked fine. But then I saw the long chipboard piece that looks like an arrow, and it's dovetailed at the end, and it has black, it's black in the background with white phrase in the last word in gold. And I liked it much better than this kind of orangey colored one because that blends too much into the background of the pattern paper, where this black one, it pops, your eye is drawn to it. So I have this little gap over to the left underneath that ephemera that says goals, and I added the gold X's. I added 3, so that took care of that, what we call trap space. And then I placed 2 more down by the typewriter. Then here I am bringing in the white and gold banner and tucking that under there, and that just makes this whole layout flow perfectly. Now, I did add off camera after I finished videoing this layout, a gold gem from Close to My Heart in the upper right hand corner of that last cluster. And the reason why I did that, that cluster bugged me because I like to have clusters of odd, and there was 4. And once I added that gem, I was happy. All right, my layout is complete. Here are the still shots. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Give us a thumbs up. That helps bring traffic. If you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you as a subscriber, and keep coming back. I try to post 2 to 3 videos a week. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.